Mudiwa Zinoyerera I come from the red earth, where the rivers run deep, where the wind tells stories only the heart can keep. From the hills of home to where you stand, I found my peace in your hand. You don't know the way you changed me, brought my world into light, like water touching dry land. You gave my soul new life. Dinokuda chinyoro nyoro, like the river holds the shore. Every step I walk with you, I don't walk alone no more. Zinoyerera I'm not afraid.
You're my home forever.
From Zimbabwe to your arms,
Jehovah led my way.
two hearts, one rhythm now,
And I'm here to stay.
Zinoyerera I want you dancing in my rain. You're learning culture with grace, and I'm proud of you every day. Don't be afraid, come closer to me. You don't have to hold back your soul, it's okay. Say Mudiwa softly, it will touch me in my soul. You don't just love me, you make me whole. Jehovah ndiye anotungamirira, every step, every breath, every road. If we put him first, we won't fall, leaving rivers nowhere to go. Two worlds now intertwined.
You're not just my love,
You're my answered prayer in time.
from the soil where I began.
To the life we now create.
One culture, one love, one God.
One forever, one faith. One forever, one faith. Mudiwa
Satya,
we flow.